Oh my gosh, look at my baby. Do it, boo. Do it. Wait, don't give up. Get back on it. You were doing so good. Wait, you gotta stand on it, B. Now you give up. Babe, can you help him? Like, what is... No, B, you gotta stand on... Is it? Oh, it needs to charge. The charger's in there. Baby, you gotta go charge it, baby. He can't pick that up. It's too heavy.
I can pick it up and go.
Baby, you can work out with that. No, you cannot. No, you're gonna drop it on your brother. Babe, come on, don't let him hold that thing. It's too heavy.
I got you.
Oh my gosh, it's too heavy, William. I'm gonna drop it. You see what I deal with, y'all? It's an old video. It's right there. Right there.